Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes that we offer. In one of my classes this week, I had two students who both come from the Ukrainian city of Kharkiv, and they were chatting about their mayor. Apparently, a few weeks ago, there was an election to choose the mayor, and the old mayor was re-elected. But since his election victory, he hasn't been seen or heard from at all. As a result, there are wild rumours flying round the city. Some people claim that he's already died. Others say that it's a body double doing his job and that he's laid up in hospital somewhere. Some people claim that he has COVID and he's being treated for it in Germany. But the basic fact of the matter is, he's gone AWOL. If somebody or something goes AWOL, they go missing from where they're supposed to be. Originally, AWOL was military slang, meaning absent without leave. So if a soldier went AWOL, he disappeared from the base where he was supposed to be serving. And obviously, when he returned, or was returned to the base, he would be in a lot of trouble as a result. We use it in lots of different ways. So maybe a rock and roll band have to cancel their tour because the guitarist goes AWOL in a city and can't be found anywhere. Maybe you're waiting for a package and in the end you decide it must have gone AWOL in the post somewhere. Maybe there's a panic in the school where you work because a couple of computers have gone AWOL and you're worried that they've been stolen. And if you live somewhere like England, maybe you've seen your political leaders go AWOL during the coronavirus crisis. If you like this video, do click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use go AWOL.